What if I told you that the person who will change your life is not your friend, not your family, not your boss? It's you, and sometimes to become the person you are meant to be, you have to walk the journey alone. There will be moments in your life when nobody believes on you, nobody claps for you, nobody asks about your progress, nobody notices the effort you are putting in every single day. And that is exactly where your journey begins. Because if you can only work when people support you, then you don't have discipline, you have dependence. The truth is, the biggest dreams are often built in silence. While others are sleeping, you are learning. While others are scrolling, you are improving. While others are complaining, you are preparing. And nobody sees it, but that's okay. Not every chapter of your story needs an audience. Some chapters are meant to be written alone. You see, success is not about motivation. Motivation comes and goes. Some days you feel unstoppable, and some days you feel tired, frustrated, and ready to quit. The people who win are not the ones who stay motivated. They are the ones who keep moving even when motivation disappears. Because they understand something powerful. Your future does not care about your excuses, it responds only to your actions. Every day you delay your goals, someone else is working on theirs. Every hour you spend doubting yourself is an hour you could have spent improving yourself. Stop waiting for the perfect moment. Stop waiting for confidence. Stop waiting for permission. Start now. Start scared, uncertain, and start alone. The road to greatness is rarely crowded. Most people quit when things become difficult. Most people stop after a few failures. Most people give up because results don't come fast enough. Don't be the most people. Be the person who keeps going. The person who stays focused when others get distracted. The person who remains committed when others lose interest. The person who understands that success is earned long before it is visible. Remember this. Every expert was once a beginner. Every successful person was once ignored. Every champion was once underestimated. The difference is that they kept going when nobody was watching. They trusted the process. They trusted their effort. And most importantly, they trusted themselves. Life will test you. It will give you setbacks. It will give you failures. It will give you moments when you question everything. But those moments are not there to destroy you. They are there to reveal who you really are. Anyone continue when things are easy. Real strength is continuing when things are hard. Real courage is taking another step when you feel like stopping. Real growth happens when you choose discipline over the comfort. So, if you feel alone right now, good. If nobody believes in you, if nobody believes in your dreams, good. If nobody understands your vision, good. Because now you have an opportunity to prove some things, not to them, but to yourself. One day, people will see your results. One day, they will admire your success. One day, they will ask how you did it, but they will never fully understand the sacrifices you made in silence. The mornings you woke up early, the nights you stayed up late, the failures you overcome, the doubts you defeated, the battles you fought alone, and that's okay because you didn't do it for applause. You did it because you refused to settle for less than your potential. So keep going, keep learning, keep improving, keep building, and keep showing up even when it's hard, even when it's lonely, even when nobody notices. Because one day all those small efforts will become something extraordinary. And when that day comes, you will look back and realize that the moments you spent working alone were the moments that changed your life forever. And when that day comes, you will look back and realize that the moments you spent working alone were the moments that changed your life forever. So do it alone, do it tired, do it scared, and do it uncertain. But whatever you do, don't be the stop.